In today's video, we're going to cover several important updates, and you won't want to miss any of them, so strap in. We'll start with BlueHive AI, or should I say, Ozwell? That's right, BlueHive AI has been rebranded as Ozwell. You'll likely notice a subtle shift in branding, but don't be alarmed. Ozwell is still here to help you in the same way as BlueHive AI, with new and exciting features coming very soon. Some new things to look for in Ozwell are an improved loading screen with updated Ozwell branding. When you're discussing a topic with Ozwell, the chat window will now resize as you type. A pencil icon has been added next to session titles, with a tooltip indicating that they can be edited. One of the biggest updates to Ozwell is the addition of BlueHive Labs experimental features. With this update, Ozwell is now able to recognize and understand procedures, conditions, allergies, medications, and observations. But wait, not only can he recognize and understand these items, when you finish transcription, you'll be presented with toggles to add these action items directly to your patient's WebChart EHR. We've also made some major improvements to how Ozwell interacts with WebChart patient charts, including the ability to search for a patient when starting a session. Also, when you unlink a patient from a session, any related encounters are removed. BlueHive's flagship product has also been updated with several new features and improvements this month. One of the major updates has been regarding providers that have been affected by the wildfires in California. To ensure that firefighters and other emergency personnel have access to crucial services such as respirator fit testing and health evaluations, BlueHive Provider Relations Specialists have been reaching out to our partner providers in the affected area and marking our provider directory and provider listings with a shield icon and the text "Operational, no impact from wildfires." Our team is dedicated to ensuring that no matter what crisis comes along, your team will have access to the tools needed to keep your team members safe, healthy, and compliant. Several user experience and interface updates were made this month, with a key item being the update to our login page. The login process has been streamlined with multiple single sign-on options such as Google, Facebook, and Windows, with Apple on the way soon. What's that? You don't prefer to use single sign-on? Well, there's still the option to log in directly via email, if that's what floats your boat. In addition to that, we cleaned up our drop-down menus to ensure that they always appear over other page content. Our maps now display at the correct resolution while browsing. When booking an appointment via the portal, there's now a feedback item to show you that your request is processing, and we cleaned up the way a lot of items are displayed throughout the site. We've also added the ability to select BlueHive Concierge as your scheduling option. When selected, one of our concierge specialists will spring into action and use your preferred provider list to schedule and process your order, keeping you updated along the way. Along with all these updates, we also implemented multiple bug fixes that fixed login issues, zip code validation loops, and default language drop-down behavior. In BlueHive Employer and Provider, we cleaned up user experience and interface issues across the platform. In BlueHive Employer, user enrollment no longer requires the use of a temporary password. Upon signing up, users will be provided a password reset link via email. In BlueHive Provider, we improved tooltip text for when invalid information is entered into the provider form, and providers are now able to upload multiple files when entering order results to employee profiles. Alright, I think that about covers all the important stuff for this update. If you'd like to learn more, you can click the link in this post to view the blog for these release notes, or head over to community.bluehive.com and sign up for an account to discuss the changes being made or even to make suggestions of your own.